3D Furler is a modular high-strength polymer roller furling and reefing system for reliable sail handling.
Watch this video for features and a live installation. The clamp on top is foil-ready with 2 pulleys for its own halyard. Assemble on deck and prepare for the foils.
No removal of the stay is needed with our clamp-on drum. Just insert the one-piece assembly and you're done.
Foils interlock into each other, ensuring smooth alignment and strong load transfer. Channels are sized to fit any luff to number 12.
With no ball bearings to wear out, our drum has 95% less friction for smooth turning and trouble-free sailing.
Assemble the drum on the stay, leaving a slight gap in the drum for inserting the foils later. Add the first top assembly and add a first foil. Then add the cap, pulleys and halyard line. Secure the bitter end to the railing.
Now we're ready to add foils.